innovation degree apprenticeship, do you think that will help you as an industry or as a company to hire apprentices easily, or the challenges which I'm sure you still have challenges hiring apprentices, that can be a stickiness for you guys to hire apprentices and they get a stickiness to it?
That will definitely be an advantage in case if there's such kind of a program is being designed and it is being offered to the companies. I tell you, there is a program which is actually currently going on. In fact, uh, Maruti has done an MOU with the government of Gujarat, and few of the Gujarat colleges are educating students that would be full-fledged degree course. So once they are there in the colleges, they would be studying partially. They would be studying for a couple of months. They would be in the theoretical studies they would do, and for practical things they would be placed in our dealership. So we will be educating them, we will be trained, we will give imparting training to them, and we will exactly teach them how practically they are supposed to work on field. And we this is the third batch which will be coming to us in the month of December. So before that also we have gone through two batches, and in these two batches what kind of employee we have got after completion of this program, the kind of employee we have taken from these colleges are really good. In fact, they are ready material for us, and right from the very first day of their graduation we can expect performance from them. So I think this is going to be a turnaround completely, and it will really help all the companies, not just our industry, but it will be helpful to all industries.
Feel it's a good move wherein we link it to an next level of the qualification. If they does like 2 or 3 years of the apprentice trainee, the reason being that should be given as a, I mean, they should earn a credit for it also, because today apprentice trainee, the one mindset is like, I completed my diploma or degree, I'm not finding a job, at least let me start my career as an apprentice trainee. Somebody given an opportunity, they have, what do you say, anybody for that matter, they wanted to take up a full-time employment, or somebody gets selected through the campus also, they happily move on. But otherwise, the next level of category, they feel that, okay, we will at least start our career to the apprentice trainee, wherein the apprentice trainee gets its own recognition in terms of you do 2 years or 3 years, then you will get an additional degree like this. This will be considered equivalent to whatever the degree next available in the same specialty or the branch or the this one. So then the, what do you say, the interest of the candidates joining this program, definitely it might increase. But in the healthcare, coming back to healthcare, I'm saying like we are already doing it offline now, as I mentioned. It's not on the records per se. I mean, nowhere is documented. As I mentioned, like a national skill development program, where they have a lot of the trainings like the patient aid, nursing aid programs, or maybe these radiology technician, or the laboratory technician, or for that matter, operation theater technician. All these students, they go for around 6 months classroom training with the institute, then another 18 months they spend with the respective hospital or maybe the diagnostic centers, and they get completely trained. And at the end of that, they have to write the government exam also, and here also they will undergo the complete training, and they get at least a diploma degree through this. So that is an interest for these students to join here, but it is not a structured kind of an apprentice trainee program, which is an off record, I'm saying. But same, I think the, what do you say, the system can be brought into this apprentice trainees. Somebody joins with a diploma, maybe he completes 4 years as an apprentice trainee kind of thing. Then based on the assessments, he would be awarded some bachelor degree in that, an ITI can be awarded in a diploma degree. So that will make a good inflow into this, and it will be, what do you say, give a more the weightage for this apprentice training program.